Hi, hello, good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this plantation shutter, like this one, if this one is broken. So first thing you have to do is you should buy this one. This is called screw eyes, and I got this one at Home Depot. There's the number 216. I found this one in the fastener aisle. It's called fasteners aisle or fastener aisle. I cannot remember. And there's 100 in here. So you can also buy like only few. There's a different quantities, but I prefer this one so that if in case in the future, I don't have to look for this one. So you also need a pliers. This one pliers. I call this one pliers, but I think this is called pliers. So, and this one right here, let's put this one closer. So this one right here, I tried to fix this one long time ago, but I was not doing a good job, and I've been researching what to use in order for this one to work, which is my husband tried to call different companies to fix this one, but it seems like we couldn't find anybody nearby who can fix this one, or if I think he found maybe one, but it's very expensive. So I did my research online and I found somebody in YouTube suggesting, showing how to fix it. Fine, and it's focused. And what we're going to do is we're gonna use these two pliers that I have, and then the big one I have is we have to open this one up. This loop right here, there is a loop. We have to open this one up. So I think this is perfect. So what you can do to make sure that this one right here will fit in this one is to just kind of try it. So first thing you're going to do, guys, is make sure that this one is here on the top when you put this one. And then if there is a big hole, because you can see there is an old the missing part in here, there is you can tell where it was. So what you're gonna do, if the hole in here is big, what you can do is you can put some wooden toothpick with Elmer's glue or any glue, and then you just cover this area here. You just cut the toothpick. If the hole is not too big like the one that I have right now, what you can do is make sure this part in here is on top, and then you put that one. You have to line it up like this. You have to line it up and then make sure that you do it in a little bit slant manner. Okay, just like this one, and then just I usually push it a little bit and then just do it by hand. So I'm not sure if you can see it, but I'm just gonna show you when it's almost done. Like this one right here, as you can see, like that one. So, and then what you can do is when you go like this, and if it doesn't fit, move this one down a little bit, and then if it's still not working, just push it until it clips right there, like that. So then after that one, you can just use one of your pliers to close this loop right here. Not sure, just gonna move this one, okay? And then I'm gonna go, and then because if I do it on the other side, it's kind of awkward for me, so because this one will not. Okay. So if you want, you don't have to close it 100%, as long as that section on the other side, this one right here, it doesn't come out. That would be perfect. So you can try it. You can go like this. And you can try that one. Okay. And try to fix this shutter for a long time, because I have so many here. I think I fixed around 9, and I'm happy that it's now working. Okay, thank you guys. If you like it, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye. Thank you.